If you want to transfer data from or to your SD card by using your Samsung S25, then you can for sure do this, but only if you have this, SD card reader. So you can input your small card right here, the micro SD card, but also you can input this in this reader if you have this bigger size. Then you will have to input your card reader inside the USB port on your Samsung S25. And now when you take a look on the notification icon, you should actually get this one, USB storage added. So click here, tap to open, and right now, if you want to move files from your, from your card to your phone, just select anything that you want to transfer. You can for sure do this with multiple pictures, photos, videos, or documents. And you can move this data or, for example, copy. So I'm going to copy them, and we have to go right now into internal storage and select destination. So for example, I'm going to apply this into this folder, into camera folder, and I'm going to tap copy here. And if you want to do this from your phone, now let me show you that it's really right here. So I'm going to open gallery, and as you can see here, I can find in my internal storage both of them. But if you want to move files from your phone, then select wherever you have. Now you can click here and select move. If it is not here, then you should actually start doing this from your files. There we go. And we have to switch from USB storage into internal storage. Now select your things, like this photo and this one. You can copy them, select your USB storage, and also select folder and copy them here. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.